This engrave text effect is very easy to do. You can apply this same process on any kind of text or any kind of background that you have. Not necessarily using type text, but you can use any PNG file that you have by using the same process. Without talking much, let's get started. So this is my background layer. I'll make sure that I create a new layer on top like this, and I type happy. Yes, happy like that. Let me create my layer again. Yes. So I'll select the text layer like that, and I'll come to select all. The reason why I came to select all is I want to select everything that is in my text layer, and I come to edit, then I copy anything that is in my selection like that, then I deselect my selection. Then I'll come to my bottom layer, that is the background, and I go to filter, vanishing point. Then I create a rectangle shape in a form that I want my text to lie, like this. Yes, you know, I've already selected my text layer and copied my text, like so it has been copied on my clipboard. So I'll turn off my text layer, then I select this layer, and I come to filter again, vanishing point. Since I've already copied my text layer, when I press Ctrl V, it will paste that text layer. Then I hold shift, I press Ctrl T first so that I can adjust the size of it, and I hold shift so that I can scale it down without distorting the text. Then I bring it here like that. I think I need to work more on it. I think it's okay now. Then I click OK. It has been perfectly placed like how I want it. Then I double click over here, and I go to underline layer, then I bring it like that and like that. You are now seeing the effect. Then I hold Alt so that I can separate these two. Then over here, this gives a smooth transition, as you can see, and it gives you a realistic engravement that you want. I'll click OK. Let me zoom in. As you can see, yeah, but I'll add some effect on it like that. Let me go to filter, blur gallery, tilt shift, so that I can place the focus more on think this is okay. Now click on okay. Yeah, that is it for today.